Utang is life pala dyan, sabi ni Rands. I think utang is life naman anywhere. Ang difference lang dito ay ang dali maka-access ng utang. So sample tayo, marami dito kapag nag-grocery ka lang, 'di ba? Maraming nag-aalok ng store credit card. Mag-grocery ka lang, bibili ka lang ng sofa, bibili ka ng computer sa Best Buy, mag-o-offer sila ng credit card. Sa Pilipinas, based on my experience a couple years ago, you will be able to get a credit card if you have a very good, kumbaga, standing doon sa bangko na yon and you have this much money. Hindi siya parang accessible sa lahat. Kaya para pag may credit card ka sa Pilipinas, para siyang flex, kumbaga. Dito, it's a part of your everyday life. Car loans, ang bilis makapag-car loan dito. Based from our experience, day 1, nagpunta kami, nag-test drive kami. Sabi lang sa amin, balik kayo with 2 to 3 months worth of payslip. After a week ata, bumalik kami with the requirements. We thought, sinasubmit lang namin yung requirement. Tapos, parang ipaprocess nila. No, the same day, parang antay lang kayo, ganyan. Pumirma na kami. Inuwi na namin yung sasakyan. Me and my husband were both like shocked. Na parang, ganun-ganun lang, makakakuha ka ng sasakyan. Sa Pilipinas, hindi kami bumili ng sasakyan sa dealership, so wala akong comparison. Pero I know na medyo mahirap kumuha ng sasakyan doon. Bahay. Nag-ipon lang kami ng down payment ng 1 to 2 years. Went for a pre-approval. Pili ka ng bahay na afford mo. Then you get the house. It's as simple as that. Sa Pilipinas noon, I've been working 10 years. And nung naghanap na ako ng bahay na gusto kong bilhin, I need 25 years worth of my salary just to buy the house I like. So I was surprised na nung na-submit namin yung mga requirements dito, tas na-identify nila yung kaya naming bilhin. That's just like 3 or 4 or 5 times worth of our household income. Siguro gusto ko ring i-point out yung ratio between the wage or salary versus the cost of living. Kaya madaling magkautang dito kasi yung kinikita mo, kumbaga yung ratio nun ay hindi malayo doon sa binibili mo or doon sa inuutang mo. But yes, utang is life.